Yeah.
So do you eat that?
Yes, yeah. They definitely eat that, yeah. Yeah. I personally, I don't know, I don't really like it that much. It's not doesn't taste bad, but my mom, she always like she loves cooking like insides of animals. Yeah, yeah, chitlins. Yeah, and then ribs, that's ribs or
So
rib.
so it specifically refers to the insect of the pig, not
Yes,
other animals.
not other animals, no. Yeah, of the pig.
What is the barbecue belt?
Barbecue belt, so that's what the South is called. It's like a nickname, and it means barbecue belt. It's like so when something is a like the for instance in the sky you have different stars, you know, and so
Yeah.
there's different like there's the belt of Orion. It's not really a belt that goes around your waist, but it is
Mm,
a large area. I guess that's the best way I can describe it. So
okay.
barbecue belt is like a geographical area where barbecue is very prominent or popular.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So people usually eat pork and beef.
Yes.
So they don't eat mutton.
And not in the South. I mean, not as part of the Southern barbecue. It's not part of that for sure. But yeah, pork and beef. And Texas, I went to Texas a couple times, and beef is just the the best thing you can eat there. It's so delicious, and everybody loves beef and steak and stuff like that. Okay, barbecue pit.
Oh, what is barbecue pit?
So down here we have the vocabulary list. It's a narrow hole where wood is burned for meat to be barbecued by hot coals. So it's like it's made out of brick or like stone, and it's kind of like a well, you know. And so they put the coal in there, and they put an iron on top of it, and that's and they place the meat on top of that. It's basically what you see in the picture, actually, right here.
Such a big one.
Yeah, that's a really big one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's exactly a barbecue pit. Yeah.
Okay. We don't have such a big barbecue pit.
Yeah, yeah. I went to like in Texas, every like barbecue restaurant has at least one of those. Yeah. Or like they have it in the
So this is
backyard.
in the restaurant. What about people? If people want to eat barbecue at home, what
Hmm.
can they use?
Barbecue at home, I guess it would be really hard to make it at home. You would have to like have one of those big barbecue grills that's portable and you put in coal and everything, but you have to do it outside. You wouldn't be able to make it inside.
Oh,
Yeah, so like a small version of this of the pit.
oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Anything else? Different styles of sauce and varies from state to state.
No, I don't have questions.
Okay, so I have a question. What is the
Huh?
South also known as? Or like what is the nickname of the South?
South.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Barbecue sauce?
No, of the South. S O
South.
U
Okay, the
T H.
South. Uh,
Yeah.
bar so that is barbecue belt.
Yeah, exactly. And if you had to put that in a whole sentence, how would you say that?
The nickname of the South is barbecue belt.
Perfect. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one. So it's basically the same thing.
Okay, it is the first word. Is it the name of the place?
No, it is a dish.
It's a dish. How do
Yes.
we pronounce it?
Gumbo.
Gumbo. Okay, gumbo, red beans and rice. Okay, this one.
Jam Jam
Jambalaya,
jambalaya.
and crawfish boil are staples of Louisiana cuisine. Gumbo is a stew made of many ingredients, including meats like shellfish, sausage, poultry or pork, vegetables, and spices. Jam, jam, what's that?
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya. Okay, jambalaya is a rice dish made with meat like chicken, seafood, stock, and spices, chopped onions, bell pepper, and celery. Crawfish or crayfish are shellfish that look like miniature lobsters, which are chopped into boiling water and seasoned with spices like what was that?
Cayenne.
Cayenne, and hot sauce.
Awesome. Yeah, so gumbo is a dish, and yeah, it's a stew. So you know what a stew is? Here it says is a dish of at the bottom here, a dish of meat and or vegetables slowly cooked in boiling water. So it's a very
I know that.
yeah, it's a very thick soup. Like a very thick soup, and you can put everything in it. And yeah, exactly. I think it's at the top right here, that picture in the circle, the top right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a soup.
Yes, it is like a very thick soup.
Mm.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, gumbo, red beans and rice, jambalaya, and jambalaya is the big picture here. So you have rice, and it's in a red sauce with meat, sausages.
It looks
shrimp.
like pizza.
It looks like yeah, it looks like pizza, and you can actually dig in with a spoon or a fork.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Crawfish.
What is crawfish?
So crawfish is like, as it says here, a miniature lobster. It's a small version of a lobster.
Okay.
Do you know what a lobster is?
I know.
Yeah, it's like a crab. Yeah, so it's like a miniature lobster.
Oh, crawfish boil. Is it one
Yes. Yes, crawfish boil is that would be one a dish. It's also a dish, yeah. Fish boil. And that's
I know that. I
Yeah?
just check it. I
Yeah.
know that.
Yeah.
No, Chinese also love it.
Oh yeah, you like that too.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I love seafood. Yeah, seafood is really good. Yeah.
It's really spicy.
Very true. Ingredients, meats. So any other questions you have here? Pork's
Let me see.
jambalaya.
Rice dish with meat like chicken, seafood. Stock. The new word stock.
Stock.
Liquid.
So stock, yeah, is down here. Liquid in which meat, fish, or vegetables have simmered in, that is used for soup, stew, or sauce. So it is if you put water and vegetables and meat and you boil it, and then you take the meat and the vegetables out, and what you're left with, that's the stock. So it's
You
water.
can drink it.
You can drink it, or you can use it for a stew, for instance, or yeah, you can add it to other dishes. But yeah, you can also drink it. Yeah. So it's basically, it's kind of like soup, but you take out everything. Yeah.
Miniature. What is miniature?
So a miniature is, again here, a copy of something that is smaller than its original size.
Okay.
So you can have a miniature version of something, you know, like a toy car is a miniature
Okay.
version of a car. Yeah.
The last.
Cayenne?
Yeah.
Cayenne is it's kind of a chili. It's like the red thin. It's like a Thai chili, but just a different kind. Like cayenne pepper. You would call cayenne pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have the bell pepper,
Ye-
cayenne pepper.
Yeah, bell pepper is not spicy, but cayenne pepper is very spicy. Yeah. Yeah. So tell me, what are
Uh,
some staples of Louisiana cuisine?
uh, the staples of Louisiana cuisine is gumbo over gumbo. Our is
Hmm?
gumbo, red
Go go.
beans and rice,
Yeah.
jambalaya,
Jam jambalaya.
and crawfish boil.
Very good. Yeah. So it's gumbo and jambalaya.
Gumbo,
Gumbo.
gumbo,
Gumbo. Yeah.
jambalaya.
Yeah. It's like Dumbo. You know Dumbo, the elephant. It's a
No,
oh, it's a Disney. It's a Disney.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's an old Disney cartoon.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah, good, good. So let's go on to the next part. That's the
Okay.
last reading bit we have.
Seafood is also plentiful in Florida and includes specialties like conch
Conch,
fritter,
conch fritters.
conch fritters,
Yeah.
which are made in the Florida Keys. Conch meat is chopped along with vegetables like sweet peppers and hot peppers, onions, and celery, which are then fried into small balls. Also enjoy Florida's official pie, key lamb pie. Okay, in Texas, the official state dish is chili car con
Carne,
carne, okay,
carne. Yeah.
or Texas red chili, which is made from stewed meat and chili peppers. Texas has its own southwestern cuisine with Texas influenced Mexican food, dubbed Tex-Mex. Okay,
Fusion.
fusion the popular fusion cuisine includes nachos,
Nachos.
nachos, nachos,
Yeah. Th those
uh,
are, by the way, those are Spanish words, so it's okay if you don't know how to pronounce them. So it's na
nachos,
nachos.
nachos,
Mm-hmm.
uh, fa-
Fajitas.
fajitas,
Yeah.
and chimichangas,
Chimichangas. Yeah.
chimichangas. Okay,
Yeah, 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 exactly. Yeah,
what
those
are
are
these?
so nachos are like little chips, like little triangles, and you have you have like a bowl of different like a sauce with cheese and meat and different kinds of stuff, and you take nachos and you dip it and you eat it. It's very popular in the US. You order when you go out for drinks, you just order a plate of nachos, and they come in like nachos with cheese and like meats and all, like guacamole and different kinds of flavors, and it's kind of like it's finger food, you know. Yeah,
It's finger
it's finger food. Yeah, yeah,
with meat.
yeah. It's no,
Veg-
cause they're like chips, you know, like little triangles,
Mhm.
you know, chips.
This cheap.
Chip. Here, let me show you.
Nachos.
So here, yeah, or maybe you can look it up here. So this is kind of like what nachos would look like.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like this is a chip. It's like a
Oh,
dough,
oh,
a hard
cheap.
dough kind of, yeah, like baked. And yeah, so you just grab it and then you eat it and it's full of cheese and meat and other vegetables. Yeah, so those are nachos.
So it is high. It is high in calorie.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's not healthy. It's not healthy food, yeah. Yeah, fajitas are like so this is a